Here it is one structure diagram I have added before going to the. So AWS formation support different AWS resources or services before to create. Okay, suppose you want to create. So here you can see AWS cloud formation. You can create the EC2 instance. You can create the VPCs, S3 bucket, API gateways. So load balancer here not mentioned, but I have added just a rough diagram. But it also support. Okay, let's go and create a S3 bucket. Let me stop this here one and we'll focus on our lab now. So I entered in the Amazon console. This is my account and I want to show you to create a single bucket as well as multiple buckets. So you can see here nothing there is, this is my stack. This is a pre-existing stack. I haven't created anything yet, and I'll show you buckets also. I don't have any single bucket which I created recently. Nothing. The bucket is also none. So let's focus on how to create a one bucket or multiple bucket through the cloud formation. So let me tell you some simple step, or you can refer the documentation part also. Let's focus on the AWS Cloud formation S3 bucket. Okay, so here I am going to the first link. Okay, first we will prepare the template. We need to prepare a template. Okay, here it is coming. So you can see here right side, this one right side here. You can see some examples. I will go to examples. Here it is. Okay, here the YAML text I am referring. Okay, you can refer from here, and I am going to add here. So here in the we are creating a text, or we are creating a resources in the template. So I am creating a template first. So this is a resource. Under the resource, this is the my resource S3 bucket I am creating. You can add a different type of like S3 instead of S3. I am putting S3 bucket 1. Okay, I want to create a bucket 1. And so here if you see the property, so in a property I will so this name will be not valid because bucket name should be in a lowercase. So I will give you I'm giving the name as a uh, dev underscore s3 bucket 01 or 1, only in 1. I'm removing this policy, deletion policy, and I'll keep this one only. Okay, so here I will remove this quotation also. Let me, because in the YAML you don't need anything like this. Okay, so here our text is sorry, template is ready. Now I have prepared this template. Let's focus, and I have prepared this S3 bucket, and this is my, okay, let me rename it. It's it okay, YAML. Okay, this is, you can refer this blue line, blue tick also. Okay, now I have created this one. Let's use the same resources. So we will refer this one only, and we'll prepare to update here. Let's focus. Now I am going to, I entered here cloud formation. Now you can go create a stack. So there are multiple options. You can go to this specific template in, and this is the second option, upload the template file. Just choose the, you can see here, let me show you this one, JSON or YAML format. Only two file is supported. Let's focus on the here, and this is our bucket. If anything is wrong, it will directly this file will not acknowledge. So let's it will give you some error. Now it is showing something. So I will show write down stack name is S3 stack, a small letter. I am giving now stack name S3 stack. Next. So here I am not putting anything. You can add the note also, like name Dave. Okay, that is fine. It's not the compulsion. Let's focus. I want to show you two options quickly, and here it is submit. Now let's see the our resource are getting created or not. Now it is entered in the event section. Let's see. So if you are only focusing on what parameters are replicated here, logical ID is coming, status and the status reason. Let's refresh now. So this is been what is the error? Let me check if any only resources. Upload the template files, and here is another option to upload. So here this is the file name I have, and I'm going to upload the same file here. Okay, just click here. Next. Now you can define the name also, like Dave stack. You can give any name. Yeah, I'm just showing you something. Let's finish this one also. Let's complete. I'm not going to add anything. I'm just putting all the default options, and let me submit this and let's see. Is it really creating this? Now again it is processing. Let's refresh it. Okay, it is creating a progress. Logical ID is still replicating. Now here it is taken the bucket one resource creation initiated, and let's refresh again. Okay, so you can see the green mark status and the reason status reasons also. Now this looks like the bucket is created, but let's refresh last time. Okay, I could see that resources, here it is resources. You can verify from here, or you can go and see guys here. I don't. Okay, so this is one more bucket is created, but our main here, because this is a template from CF. Okay, now we will go to our bucket creation. See, it's just a bucket. We referred the name. So we successfully create a S3 bucket through CloudFormation template. So it's very simple. Okay, let me go to the template. So here it is output says we haven't defined any output in the template. So that is the reason here no output is there. Okay, let's see in parameter we haven't defined anything. Template, this option we have created template. So this template we referred, you can see from here also. Resources, bucket one, type, property, and bucket name. You can go back and see this one. It's the same thing, guys. Nothing. Change sets. Let's see. No, no changes because we haven't performed anything. But now let me create a one bucket we have created. Now I want to create a one more bucket, and it is for another for testing purpose. We can say let's create another bucket, guys. So here, make sure you are putting properly syntax. So it should be matching no repeated name. So I am putting bucket 2. So this is also same whatever, but here I am putting the instead of Dave, I am putting the test environment. So I am creating this bucket for a test environment, and I am giving the name something 80. It's just a random number I am putting. I don't want to. Let's we create a multiple buckets. Two. So I am creating a third bucket. So here it is. Let me add this one. Okay, so here it is also shows, that is the reason I refer this video code. And now I'm again changing the first dev, then test, and here is wrap. This is something you can put something like a UAT, let's say UAT. So this is third bucket I have created, and I'll put name something 81. Okay, let's put something 7. Fine. These two buckets we are adding again in the same template. Now, see here, what I am doing, I'm trying to use same template, okay, and I am using the same template to and created two more buckets. So what options we need to refer from the CloudFormation? So this stack is already created. Here you can see the stack is created. Let's go again in the stack, and here you can see update option. So go to the update option. So there are three more prepare a template. So we are going to choose this replace an existing template. So here we are going to choose again upload template file. Now I'm going to choose the same file here. Just choose here, just open it. Now see, next, then again next. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's next, and again I am putting the default one, and let me submit it. So see, now earlier it is create in a progress. Now it is update in a progress. Earlier it is, I mean, when first time we create a bucket, it was showing only create process update. But now we use same template, okay, but we creating some more buckets. So let's refresh again. So see, it is been update completed. Let's see here, you can also see bucket 2 and bucket 3. Let's jump to our bucket section. See guys, we have created successfully buckets in multiple buckets in a one template. So this is the way you can also deploy multiple buckets. I'll show you from here. So you can refer this one also. The physical IDs, these are the physical ID, logical IDs are this one. The type, so this is actually type. You can, it will also refer from the here. This is the type. Okay. And these are the resources we have successfully created without any problem. Here it is a template. Now this is also shows you bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3. I think this is the way you can also create and test the go through the and take the hands-on on the cloud formation. I hope this video is informative you, and see you in the next video. I'll come back with a new video for great topics, and thank you guys. Bye. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.